Good afternoon, all you gratified gardeners, and welcome to the Gratified Gardening channel here on YouTube. Now, stay tuned, subscribe, because there's going to be a lot of content that'll come out here. This is just getting started. And like I say, we can grow a lot of things here in our test beds and test gardens, but what we can't grow is this channel without you guys subscribing. So I had a lot of people what this video is going to be about. I've had a lot of people ask me about pruning and cutting, and where do you cut, Gary, and how much do you cut? Well, I'm going to show you where to cut. How much to cut is up to you. Pruning, really, it's to accomplish only two things for the most part, maybe three. The first thing it'll accomplish is you prune for airflow between the branches, between the growth. Second, you prune for stimulating secondary growth so that your plant, no matter what plant it is, will become more fuller. And the third reason you want to prune is just for appearance sake or deadheading. Say you want to prune your coneflowers or your petunias. You prune those for appearance sake. Well, as you can see, this is a pink diamond hydrangea. It was a cutting. In fact, it was a cutting earlier on in the year in January. It overwintered outside in a little 2-inch pot, and now it's about 11 inches, going on 12 inches tall. And really the easiest caring. Haven't done a whole lot with it except put it in this pot. So what I want to do is cut. And you'll hear some terms, most of you will probably be familiar, but where to cut on the node. Where to cut. Now, if we look at this branch here, okay, that's a node, down here's a node. Where I'm going to cut is right here, right above this node. You see? Cut. There you go. Okay. And that's all there is to it. Literally. Now if I go over here to this other branch, look at this. Oh, I'm not good with the camera. I'll come down above the node, right above this third node, and I'll cut. Kaboom. Look at that. Now, that sends a signal to the plant to make the side growth start. So by winter time, I will have side branches so that next year, when it's springtime, all that side growth will start growing and shooting out even more branches, which on this type of hydrangea, it blooms on new growth. So you want as much new growth as possible. So there you have it. Pruning, at least the first video on pruning. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. My name's Gary. I'm one of the mad scientists here at Gratified Gardening. So thank you for stopping by. If you have any questions, just put it in the comments. Shoot us an email. Maybe even tell us what kind of hydrangeas you may have at home. Because the input is always welcome. So thank you for stopping by. And signing out for now.